Hey everyone, it's me. Hey, I'm in Defiance. Almost at the shop. Hopefully this light won't take too long to change. Because it's already almost 20 after. Because wouldn't have to do this if they had if they didn't have that stupid center divider on Clinton. They put that in quite a few years ago, and now the only closest way you can turn on to get up to the shop is this way. That's the only thing I don't like about the fact that they did that to Clinton. Is put that stupid center divider in. I think that's stupid. And really, in traffic, it's like, really? Everyone, I am here at the shop, so I'm going to stop it right here. Please like it. Please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.